everyone. We're eating a pancake.
Mama, who cooked it?
Mama.
It's bedtime.
Hmm?
It's bedtime time.
It's
Bedtime.
oh no. Better time.
I want to try.
You want to try? Umuusok yung ating ano. No, kay I will sell it to the people. You have money?
Please.
Why?
Please, Mama, I want to try.
You want to taste?
Mama,
You
want
wait,
to-
kay so hot pa. So hot.
Mama, want to that.
Do you have money?
Yeah.
Or you give me money, and I will give you one. So hot.
Money. Ding.
It's not money.
Mama, let's have the money. Mama, I don't have money now.
You don't have money now. What will you do?
What's that? This one.
Dito muna tayo nagluto dahil masyadong masakit
Mama, I want
yung-
soy.
wala tayong
Stop.
Oh! Nayayam. Uy,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mama.
it's okay.
Mama, want soy. Soy.
This is nahulog.
Mama is done.
Ayan, yung ating pancake. At
Mama,
nagamit ko din yung
Mama,
tagal ko
what's
nang
so
tinago-tago.
yummy?
Ayan, tagal kong tinago-tago tong pancake maker na binigay ni Ate Aina. Nagamit ko
Mama,
din.
it's maker.
Pancake maker.
Cake maker.
Hmm.
Mama, put and one try. One try this. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry, Mama. I'm so hungry.
Maghihapon.
Ha?
Maghihapon. Maghihapon. Posting pa tayo kung ilan yung ano natin, maibibenta natin dito.
Mama, what's making?
Ha? Spray? Brush lang naman nila akong
Mama, one try. One try.
Want to try? Wa pa ganito ay halin. Want to try na? Later na, later. Later na, nak, later. Let's finish cook this one.
Tapos big ano naman.
Mama,
Ay, malupa na na.
Ano lagi na?
eat it.
Lagi, brush mo na ako mag-spray.
Mama, I
Hindi naman
want to
gusto
eat
ano
it.
mo. Basta mas nindot nag-spray.
I want to eat it.
Later na, nak. Let me finish cook first.
Finish the cook first.
Hmm.
Mama, it's done.
Not yet po.
Mama, I can breaking
So,
in
lanayon ang
more.
kuan. Lanayon daan ang butter.
Hindi ka na.
Ah, mantika ra.
Mama,
Sabi mo ng margarine.
Mama, wonder.
Nak, let me finish cooking na. Tutunaw yung brush eh. Masyadong mainit na yan.
Mama, it's done. Mama, say
Ano nakikita?
bye-bye.
Mayroon sigurong ano.
Mama, say bye-bye.
Babay na yan. You want to eat na?
Okay.
Kaya ako man din yung giibot. Ang saan na ito?
Hindi na kami.
No, naginap. No, sana. Let me finish cook first. Ay, we will make a syrup pa. We will make a syrup. Mama will make a choco syrup first, okay? And the plate. Let me finish cook first, ha?
Mama, I want to play.
Oh, wait sa lagi kay nag-cook pa man si Mama. Dan kaya yung magagawa natin. 1,
Please.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hot na hot,
No, no, nak. No, no, nak. No, no. Please, don't touch.
Please. Please, Mama.
Wait sa lagi.
So good.
So good.
Wow.
lagi.
Magkat hair na tata.
Magkatihir sa kuno mo.
Oh, please. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. But how about the pancake?
No, I like cutting hair.
Hmm?
Cutting hair.
You're going to cut hair. How about the pancake? You don't want to eat pancake?
Want to eat?
Yeah, you tell Papa, wait Papa, I will eat first.
We will cut hair first.
Okay. Mama, look at my finger.
There.
Yeah?
When you're done, you eat pancake, ha? When you're done cutting hair.
Look at done cutting hair.
Pagod na hinuon eh.
Uy, may motor ha, may motor, may motor. Liam! Asa man ka?
So, nakagawa tayo ng 10 pancake. Kasi ano pa lang, test and trial pa to. May ilan kasi hindi ko na, hindi nagkapantay ng pagkalagay ba. May makapal, may manipis. 10 pancakes yung ating nagawa. Test and trial pa to mga kabayan.
Ko 100.
Ano kayang brush ang magandang gamitin, no?
Mula na di gyapon.
Mm.
Spray ra lagi na. Ana spray ba? Diyan po na siya kuan. Dili man po na siya kanang nay. Kana. Kanang madikit ba?
Non-stick yun naman siya. Pero mapagod na siya ug wala siya margarine. $11 pancakes yung ating nagawa. Benta natin to. So yung benta ko dito nasa ano dapat 10 pesos each. Ang init pa.
Mama, high five.
Hmm?
High five.
Hi, boy.
High five.
Mama done a good job.
High five.
Mama done a good job. You have money? Give me money. Give me money. Give me money. You have to pay. Yeah, that's my money, man. Uy, how much is that? Oh, it's kuwang. Mm.
Ang isla ni.
Mama,
Tao. Lagyan siya ng chocolate syrup. Wow!
Mama, it's so good.
Oh, this is it for, this is for Papa.
Huh?
Hindi ka nag.
Mama, I want to try.
Gutsu. Gigapon ko.
I want the other. Please,
Pag-jeep.
want the.
Pwede ka book lang mo.
Unsi.
Si.
Mama, I want this. I want me, huh?
Nasa, wait sa.
Taste test. Taste test. Taste test.
Mama, natata.
Uy,
Liam.
how does it taste?
Some chocolate.
Chocolate. Taste chocolate.
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Mama, that's chocolate.
Mm. Is it yummy? Hmm? How does it taste?
Thanks, sir.
Pancake. Oh, gaya ay.
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Look, Papa. Papa, Missy eating. Oh, it's done.
done?
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Mama, want the other one?
The one, that's enough. That's enough. No, no, mama lang, mama lang, mama lang. You say
You wash
please.
your hands first. Oh, did you wash your hands?
Oh,
Really?
yes.
Did you use soap?
Yes.
No.
Did you use soap?
No. You
No,
wash your
kono
hands first.
ah. Use soap sa, use soap. Use sabon.
It's my wash my hands.
Did you use sabon? No, you did not use sabon. Use sabon sa kaw. Oh no, you did not use sabon. Use sabon ha.
Oh, you wash my.
Do you want to have some? Oh, you eat.
Ayun na di, ayun na di. I will give another one.
Mm.
Money first.
Oh, money daw.
Oh no, this is my money man.
This one and this one
This
and
one,
this one.
don't touch me.
This one and this one.
And here's your order.
Mama, I want this one.
No, no, that's enough na. That's enough already. Some is kayo de. Dili kayo. Okay ra. Dili kayo tamis lagi. Sakto ra. Wow. I'm sure ate will love it.
Thank you.
Welcome. You sit there, you get your kuan, you get sa the bangko to.
Okay. Okay.
Tara, tara.
Yeah.
Here's your order.
Thank you.
Welcome. Tagak yun na ron. Wow.
Mama, I try this?
Hmm?
I try this? Let's try.
Let's try. No, no. That's sweet. Mama can't eat that.
Try.
Papa?
Try.
I'm full.
Papa already full. How about you? Are you full now? No?
Mama, it's so good.
Yeah.
Mama,
Is it yummy?
who cooked it?
Mama. Who cook it man di ay? Why? Why? Yun na nga, mga kabayan, yung natitirang pancake natin ay 4 na lang. Yung ating tinapay na display naman, yan na lang. Bali, bukas ay Saturday, so dadagdagan na lang yan ng konti. Dahil close kami sa Sunday, dagdagan na lang ng konti ito. Para walang ma-stuck ba sa sa Sunday, maubos siya.